Hey there! Ever wanted to go food shopping in an English speaking country? Well, in this explainer, we're going to learn all the useful words and phrases you'll need. Let's get right into it. So, first things first, are you hungry? Because I know I am, and when you're hungry, well, you need to buy some food. And what's the best place for that? You got it, the supermarket. Come on, let's go together.
So, are you ready to shop? Before we head inside, there's one really important thing we need to do first.
Every good shopping trip starts with a plan. And in English, we call this a shopping list. It tells us exactly what we need to buy so we don't forget anything.
So, what's on our shopping list for today? Let's dive in and learn some really important words for food.
First up on our list is bread. Let's practice that sound. Listen carefully. Bread. Why don't you say it with me? Bread. Great job. Next, we need some eggs. Now listen to the end of that word. Eggs. It has an S sound because we're talking about more than one. Listen again. Eggs. Perfect. And oh, look at these. Bananas. Just like eggs, this word ends with an S sound because there are many of them. Let's say it together. Bananas. All right, for our main meal, we're going to need some chicken. Let's try saying it slowly. Chicken. Chicken. We also need something sweet. This is sugar. Say it with me. Sugar. Sugar. And the last item on our list, potatoes. Hey, you see that S at the end again? That's because they're buying more than one. Let's practice. Po-tay-tos. Fantastic. You know all the words on our list now. So how do we use them? A super simple and useful phrase is I need. For example, you can say, I need bread, or I need eggs. Why don't you go ahead and try saying I need with the other words we just learned? Okay, we've got our shopping list and we know the words for our food, so the next step is to ask about the price. First, let's learn how to ask for the price of just one thing. The question is really simple. Listen closely. How much is it? We use the word is for one single item. Repeat after me. How much is it? Let's look at an example. We see the sugar. It's just one thing, so we ask, how much is the sugar? And here, you can see the answer. It's 54p. That little p, you see, stands for pence, which is a type of money used in the UK. Great! But what if we're buying many things, not just one? Well, the question changes just a little bit. Let's see how. For many things, we just change one small word. We say, how much are they? We use are for plural items. For many things. Say it with me. How much are they? Here's a perfect example. We have a lot of potatoes, so we use are. We ask, how much are the potatoes? And the answer on the slide is, they're £1.10. That symbol there means pounds, another type of money in the UK. So let's remember this simple rule. For one thing, like the sugar, we ask, how much is it? For many things, like the potatoes, we ask, how much are they? Is for one, are for many. It really is that simple. We have all our food. It's time for the final step. We need to go to the checkout to pay. At the checkout, the shop assistant will probably greet you. They might say something friendly like, hello, how are you today? And you can give a very simple, friendly reply. For example, fine, thanks. It's polite and it's really easy to remember. Then they'll tell you the total price. Make sure you listen carefully to the numbers. They might say, that's £6.25, please. Did you notice how they said the number? First £6 and then 25 for the pence. Now you're ready to pay. And there you have it. You've just completed a full shopping trip in English. We learned new words for food, we learned how to ask for prices, and what to say when you pay. You did a great job. So, my question for you is, what will you buy on your next shopping trip? Thanks for joining me today, and keep practicing.